Zero clearance inserts for the table saw improve safety and cut quality. The SawStop zero clearance throat plate takes the traditional ZCI to the next level with a two-piece design and replaceable inserts, allowing you to have a perfect zero clearance insert for every rip, crosscut, bevel, and dado cut you make. The SawStop zero clearance throat plate has a powder-coated aluminum body that is guaranteed not to set off your saw's brake system at any blade height or angle. It is even compatible with full stack dado cuts. The replaceable inserts are made of melamine-coated MDF, making them slick, durable, and inexpensive. Each SawStop zero clearance throat plate includes 3 inserts, one for use with the blade guard, one for use with the riving knife, and one for use with dado blades. These inserts are also available in replacement 4-packs, so you can always have a fresh insert on hand no matter what type of cut you need to make. Replacing an insert is as easy as sliding the old one out and sliding the new one in. No tools and only seconds are required. Get the best performance possible from your saw. Add a SawStop zero clearance throat plate so you can have a perfect zero clearance insert for every cut you make.